3 centimeters, sir.
Yeah.
3 centimeters.
So 3 centimeters. This is R2. Right. So if you open this, what is the length? Can you tell me, please? If you open this, what is length?
Pi R1.
2
2
pi
pi
R1. Okay, na? Hello?
Okay, sir.
Now you place on here, this is. You place on this. This is AB. UAB place on here. That means, tell me what is the thing? If it is angle is theta, that AB is equal to 2 pi R1. That is equal to, this is R2, na? R2 into theta 2. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Arc length is arc length, na?
Yes,
Arc
sir.
length. Arc length. Radius into angle, na?
Yes, sir.
Radius into angle. So that's the reason why R2. So what you require to calculate? Theta 2 you require to calculate. Theta 2 is equal to 2 pi of R1 by R2. 2 pi R1 by R2. R1 is 3 by 48. This is the pi by 8. Clear that is, children?
So 1 minute.
No, I want to. Not problem is not over. Na? Theta 2 you got that radians. But the gradients, you asked that gradients. How many gradients makes the grades? Grades is asked that. How many?
9 by 10 degrees is 1 gradient.
Yes. One right angle means pi by 2 radians is equal to 100 grades. Therefore, theta 2 is 1 by 4 into pi by 2 radians. That is 100. That is what? Pi by 2 is nothing but what? 100, na?
Yes,
Pi by, this is a rule. This is a relation.
yes, sir. Yes.
25.
That is 100 by 4. That is 25 grades. Okay, children?
Yes, sir. It's option 2, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you explain radians?
Huh?
Yes, sir. Radians, we don't know.
Sir,
Gradients or radians?
Radian.
Pi
Radians,
radians.
RAD.
Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Pi radians is equal to how much,
Okay,
Nana?
sir.
180 degrees.
180 degrees. And pi by 2 radians is equal to 100 grades. This is a relation.
What is green?
Huh?
What is grade, sir?
Grades. G means grades.
Another
Grade.
form of measuring.
Yeah.
Sir, these are all belongs to time.
It belongs to angle, na? Children, I'm sending you now one information, please. Let me wait. Let's give the time, 2 minutes time. To 1 minute, give the time. By the time you copy that, I will send you the information within 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, I am sending you. Children, have you received? You see, please. Measurement of angle.
Got
Have
it,
you
sir.
received?
Got it.
Can you read later the tune? Children, can you read that part later?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
We will read later, sir.
Okay. Now, children, can next question, please.
Sir, question number 20.
Yes, sir. Question number 20.
Yes. The moon distance from the earth is this much, and the diameter subtended an angle, at the eye of the observer. The diameter of the moon. Is okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The diameter of the moon is given. This angle is 31 at this point. 31 minutes. Theta. This is D. No, this is R. You say that.
వినయన్ పొద్దున
It is part of that.
పొద్దున యాడ్ చేసి
Are nanare. This is a D. Now D is equal to what, Nana? Arc is equal to radius into angle. Now angle is theta is equal 31 minutes. Children, what is the 31 bar like that is there, na? Minute. Children,
Yes, sir.
31 minute. These are the units, Nana. 31
Yes, sir.
minute. That minute is equal to 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree.
Okay. Yes, sir.
60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. So 31 minute is equal to
1860 degree.
31 minute is equal to how much? 1 minute is equal to 1 degree. 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degrees.
1 by 60 into 31.
1 by 60 into 31 by 60 degrees. Okay. Am I correct, children?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 into 31. So 31 by 60 degrees. Now 180 degrees is equal to pi radian. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Now 31 by 60 degrees is equal to pi by 180 into pi by 180 into, tell me, pi by 180 into 31 by
31 by 60. 31 by 60.
1 degree is this much. This much of degrees is how much radians? It's equal to pi by 1 into 31 by 60. 4 are radians. So that is equal to pi means 22 by 7, 31 by 60 into 180. So this is the angle, whatever it is the angle. Theta in radians. Now this radius is, that radius is given, that radius is r, that is the r value is given as 3,000, 3,50,000 like given, and the angle is, this is 22 by 7, 22 by 7 into 31 by 60 into 180. Children, anybody can solve this one, this calculator using?
Just a minute, sir. 14,322, sir.
14,000, 31 by, he is telling that, he is telling that 3157 he is telling. 11, na?
Sir,
We'll do one thing.
3,157.407.
Sorry, sir.
407,
Yes,
sir.
sir. 3,157.4.
3157.407.
So that means you will no doubt you will get that only. So 0, 2 zeros will cancel. 3157 of 11 by 17 he has given answer. Is correct only or not?
3157.4.
Children, you get the option 1, you will get no doubt. Children, okay now?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you explain it once more?
Sir, arc means length of arc, sir.
Yes, no. Arc means length of arc. Length of arc only diameter, na? Approximately less. Length of arc is nothing but diameter. Am I correct or not? Being long distance. This is the arc. Is nothing but what? Diameter of moon. Okay, children? Hello?
Sir, we understood, sir, this problem.
This is A and B. This is the
Can you
diameter.
please explain it?
Where you have doubt, you tell me, Nana. Don't
Sir,
say
from
from
that 60 minutes is equals to 1 minute. So from that to that that radian, sir, remaining I understood.
this one.
How
This one.
how you found that angle? Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes. That part.
So 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree, Nana. It is the value. Should remember. The value should remember,
Okay,
Nana.
sir.
This is. So now 31 minute means तो क्या? 31 minute is equal to how much? 60 minutes से 1 degree है तो 31 minutes कितना हो जाएगा? I will tell you. 30 minutes is equal to how many? That is 1 minute is equal to how much? You tell. 1 minute is equal to how much? 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degrees. Am I correct? 1 pen cost is 1 by 60. So 31 pence cost is 31
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing but 31 by 60 of what? Degrees. Okay now?
Okay, sir.
This is
Yes,
the step
sir.
1 is over. Now pi 1 degree is equal to pi radians. 1 degree is equal to this much. So 1 degree cost is this much. So 31 by 60 degrees is this you want. 31 by 60 is
Yes, sir.
pi by 180 into this is a 1 pen cost into 4 a number of pens. That is degree centigrade you got. Sorry, radians you got. What you got? Radians. Pi is how much? 22 by 7.
Sir,
180 60 into 31 radians. Okay. Theta is completely in radians. Okay now.
okay, sir. Okay. Got it.
That theta
Sir,
is
length of-
assigned here.
Okay, sir.
That theta
Sir,
is
but-
assigned.
But can we use in degrees?
No. Always L is equal to R theta. Theta must be in radians.
Okay, sir.
Theta must be in radians. Okay.
Sir, length of arc formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r, no, sir?
Nana?
Length of arc formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r, no, sir?
Correct. You tell me. Length of arc will come to that point. Whatever you're telling that will come to that point. That only will derive. You see what you're telling length of arc is. Right. This is the theta, right? Length of arc. What you're telling?
Theta by 360 into 2 pi r.
That one. Theta by
360 into 2 pi r.
That means for 360 degrees, you are getting what? 2 pi r is the length.
2 pi r. Yes, sir.
And now for theta degrees, how much?
Theta by 360 into 2 pi r.
Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. These are
Yes, sir.
arc. Okay, na?
We can give pi as 180.
Yes. So L equal to r theta. Theta is in what? You tell me now. Theta is what now? Now r into what is this is pi. That is theta into. Tell me. R into pi by 180. Pi by 180 into theta. Am I correct?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Theta is in degrees,
Now
no, sir.
pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, theta in degrees it is. Theta in degrees it is. Okay, na? 1 degree is equal to pi by 180
Yes, sir.
radians. Theta degrees is equal to pi by 180 into what? Theta. In radians totally. Understood? Here theta should be in radians. In degrees it is. In degrees. Whatever you are telling, theta should be in what? Degrees. Same thing you got or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So finally what you should do that L is equal to R theta where theta must be in radians. That's it. Simple. Children, can I close this place? Shall we go for next concept? Children, my dear children.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Now I am sending the graphs, Nana. Directly I'll send the graph just within a minute. We can get it that I am sending you those graphs. So otherwise I'm going to draw here. So children, take the heading of graph.
In classwork, sir.
In classwork. Graphs in classwork. Y is equal to mx. What is the y equal to mx graph? How? Is the y equal to mx? Children, can you say what is this graph? What is this graph?
Y equals minus mx.
Minus mx.
Understood?
So this you have to copy in CW.
Yes. What? Children, got the difference?
Yes.
Sir, what is m here?
Slope. What is your name?
Sir, Parth.
Parth. Slope. You don't know slope, M?
No, sir.
Is
I
equal
have
to tan
no
theta.
idea about it.
That is in class 10th only.
Sir, but for CBSE it is not there.
Sir, many are CBSE. We also don't know.
Yes.
In CBSE there, no, don't worry. In maths only there.
Syllabus is reduced, sir.
Oh, Corona.
In that answer.
Yes, sir.
In Corona, graphs died in Corona. So graphs also
No, sir,
data.
no. No, sir, there were no graphs.
Okay.
Sir, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is
That only, no, that only. That only. That is in mathematics, not in physics graphs. Hello. It's completely maths it is. Next week also maths
Yes,
teacher
sir.
only.
In
But
math
in
book
ninth-
only, no graphs.
Okay, Nana.
Black coordinate geometry. No?
Okay, now you understood? Parth.
Sir, what is y and x here?
Y and?
X, are they y and x axis?
What F? M?
Y and
He's
x.
asking x and y are axis.
Axis now. X and Y is also axis. You don't know?
X and y are coordinate. Okay, sir, okay.
Here X and Y are the
Yeah,
axis. Small x is
they
here
are
the
the
coordinates.
coordinates.
Coordinate. This is the point on the axis. This is the point on this one is X comma Y.
Coordinates.
Yeah.
Sir,
M slope, tan theta.
how to find the slope, sir?
Theta he will
Sir,
give
how to
that.
find slope there?
If 30 degrees दिया तो slope क्या हो जाएगा?
Y only tan theta, sir.
y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x.
Now what Y is in? Children, if it is theta, this is the Y, this is the X. Okay, now tan theta is equal to what? Y by
Y upon X.
Change in Y. The definition you know, na? Slope is differentiation. You can take it as slope of dy by dx. I told. Okay, children. Anyhow, you remember this is a mathematics star will give you the clear information more than this. Okay. Hello.
Yes. Okay, sir. Okay.
How much time graphs per hour?
Okay.
Per hour, how much time is graphs? For complete graphs, only 1 hour time we have to close. Within half an hour should complete because you see the schedule. We want only the basic things now. We don't want more than that. Okay. It's not a mathematics class, my dear boys.
Okay, sir.
It is completely physics. So, my dear children, you do not worry about that. You do not worry about that. More than this.
Sir, for the Telangana students, this is not new, sir. But for the Maharashtrian or the CBSE student, this all is new thing.
This is for that, Nana. You see, for us also, you don't wanna. Just we should know what it is. That's simple. Okay. In physics, hello. This is not mathematics, na. Parth.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is math. What you are teaching now, basic math.
Basic, only basic. Just to know. We don't want to go in details. Okay.
When you will start physics?
The next week. Next week is not in the next week. Further week. From 10th onwards. More than that. Then only kinematics will come. Okay. This is okay. Graph is okay. Now come to the point. Next graph is. Children, you see, please. These are like this. Is x-axis, y-axis. Right? Now this is theta. This is 0, C. Right? That boy is making noise, you see, please. What is M there? Slope. That is equal to M equal to what you will get? Tan theta. C called y-intercept. Parth.
Yes, sir.
C is what?
I minus mx.
Y-intercept. Okay, na?
Sir, why only tan theta?
Okay, sir.
Are slope always defined as tan theta only. No sign. Because opposite by adjacent. What is that formula?
Opposite side.
For this?
Adjacent side.
What is the opposite? For the theta, what is the opposite side is y, na? Adjacent is what, x, na?
Yes, sir.
That is nothing but dy by dx, na? Small elements. Dy by dx is equal to tan theta. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So slope always should be taken tan theta, not sin and cos or secant or cosecant. It is always m equal to tan theta only. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Okay.
C is y-intercept. P is any point on this line is x, y are the coordinates. X, y are what?
Coordinate.
Coordinates. Then the equation is y is equal to mx plus c. And the equation is what, Nana? What is the equation? Y equals?
mx plus c. mx plus c.
C. No doubt.
Copied, sir.
See, children,
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
I sent you one information, you see, please. Y is equal to mx is over, y equal to mx plus c is over. Now y is equal to k, x is equal to k, and y is equal to x. That we have to explain, right? That I have to explain, okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Sir, చెప్పండి సార్. Children, hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nana, that you see, I send you graphs, day 5. You see that I send you that one
Seen.
schedule. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's
See
too
what is the
small,
slope
sir.
of standard graph? Do you have or not? In the children, hello.
Hello, sir.
You see, have you received that schedule I sent you?
Yes, sir. We received.
So on the day of 7, you see 7, 5, 20, 21, you see, please. Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
You read, please, what is there? Ah. Yeah. Right. Right. I will tell you. Now you take that side heading of slope. Just you see what is the meaning of slope. I will tell you, please. Slope is, hello.
Hello, sir.
Slope is tangent of inclination. What is the inclination, first of all? Children, hello, that Parthav. Parthav.
Yes, sir, I am there.
Inclination. What is the heading, Nana?
Yes, sir, I am there.
What is the heading there? Inclination. What is that?
Slopes are heading.
No. What is the heading? What is the heading you see in the board?
Inclination.
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 It is the angle made by any straight line. Parthav, tell me please. It is an angle made by any straight line with
It is the angle made by any straight line.
with the positive x-axis. With the which axis?
Positive.
With positive x-axis. In what direction?
Anti-clockwise.
In anti-clockwise direction. This is the definition. Okay now? Now, I will tell you some rules. You see here x and y, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, a straight line which is passing through like this. Now, what is the angle here is? Inclination is theta is the inclination. Do you understood what is that, please now? Easily? Hello? Hello, children,
Yes,
understood, Anna? Parthav?
Yes, sir.
You understood why
Yes,
theta is in this direction?
sir, but sir, excuse me, sir.
This is theta. Which theta should take? This is take. This should not take. Why? Why?
Because we have to take positive axis.
In which direction?
In anti-clockwise direction.
So that which theta is correct now? Red color theta or green color theta?
Red color.
Red color theta.
So now theta is less than 90 degrees or
Red
not
color
here?
theta.
Yeah. So now this is the straight line.
Yes, sir.
Now this is the theta, one theta is that, another theta is this. So now this is the theta, one thing, and this is the red color theta. Which theta is correct now?
Green, sir.
Which theta is correct? This is correct.
Green, sir.
Green.
This is wrong, right? Why? It should be in what direction?
Yes, sir.
Anti-clockwise direction.
Anti-clock.
Theta is greater than 0. Okay, greater than 90. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now slope is how to take the slope definition is tangent of inclination. Tangent of children.
Tangent of inclination.
Tangent of inclination. Okay na?
Okay.
Now tangent of inclination means what you should take? Tan of theta. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nana. Now, if theta is given,
Yes, sir. It is clear now. Thank you, sir.
1 minute, Nana. Slope. That slope is m. Slope is m. Inclination is what? Theta. Okay. Okay, na children.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now m is equal to tan theta. This is the one formula to calculate the slope. But theta is known. Right now, children.
Slope.
Yes. So what is that inclination for inclination definition? Angle. It is inclination is nothing but angle. It is an angle. It is the angle made by any straight line with positive x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. Is the inclination, and slope is tangent of inclination. Children, okay?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now next thing is, let 2 points on a straight line given. What is the slope? That means if the 2 points on the straight line, P is of x1, y1, Q is of x2, y2, then slope is defined as
Y2 minus Y1 upon X2 minus
difference of y2
X1.
coordinates by slope. M is equal to difference in y coordinates.
y2 minus y, x2 minus x1 is equal to dy by dx.
Yeah, for the small thing it is dy by dx. Okay. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if the second one is this is the first point, right? The first one slope. If the points are given, the slope is this one. If the points are given, okay, children. 2 points are given, then the slope is this. If equation is given, can you tell anybody please? Equation is given.
X by A plus Y by B equals to 1.
Equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then slope is
Minus A by B.
excellent, minus a by b. What is the minus? That means minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of what? Y. Understood? Coefficient na this is. Children, understood na?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
These are the 3
It's clear
formulae
now.
to calculate the slope and everything. Please note it down. This is the about slope and inclination. Shall I scroll down?
If only theta value
Scroll up only, sir. Scroll up only.
Okay. What now? If
Sir, first one is over, second and third.
yeah. If theta is given,
Then we
then
if only theta value is given, then we should use first formula.
yes. If theta is given, 30 degrees, 40 degrees is like this with x-axis.
Okay.
Sir, in third point, the once repeat the last red color.
Yes, sir.
Coefficient. Coefficient, that is.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, on
Oh.
Saturday, Sunday classes are there.
I don't know. No, you asked that principal only. Coefficient of x.
Okay, sir.
No, anything, don't believe any sir or teacher is telling. Only principal is the right person to tell that.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry, I forgot that.
Amma? What?
I forgot that what you said that time.
So next. Sir, when we will learn APGP and binomial theorem?
That's next week, tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.